In this video, I'll show you how to share files between your OnePlus Nord CE6 and an iPhone. So this is basically transferring files or using an AirDrop of sorts from this phone to an iPhone. Now the first thing you need to do is to ensure that you have the O Connect app installed on your iPhone. And to do that, simply go into the App Store and then you want to search for O Connect. So this is the app. And you ensure that it's installed. And once you install it, you can open it from there. Now, if you're opening it for the first time, it's going to ask you for a couple of permissions, so give those permissions before you can be able to proceed. Now, on your OnePlus Nord CE6, there's this option called Share with iPhone. So this is the option that you need to tap on to turn it on. And also, if it's the first time you're using it, it's going to ask you to give a couple of permissions as well. So do that and then proceed to find the files that you want to share. For example, if I want to share this document or this photo, all I need to do is select the share button and then select iPhone or PC. And then it's going to start searching for nearby devices. As you can see, it has already detected my iPhone X. So tap on iPhone X. And it's going to launch AirDrop. And as you can see, it has already sent that. All I need to do is tap on accept and then allow and give permissions for that file to be sent, or the permissions that I'm going to be asked to give. And that way I will have sent that particular file to my iPhone, just like that. So it's going to appear there. And as you can see, it's the same file. Now I can also do the same if I want to share files from the iPhone to this phone. So go to the OnePlus Connect app and then go back here and then this time select send. And then you want to go into photos and videos or whatever option and then select the video or the file that you want to send and then tap on send. And then select your OnePlus Nord CE6 from the list of options. And it's going to be sent, and then you need to accept from here, and that particular file is going to be received on this particular phone. So select join. It's asking me to join to that network, so select join. Then once I select join, it says connection failed, but that's basically how to do that. Select your OnePlus phone and it should be able to send the other way as well. That's basically how to AirDrop using your OnePlus Nord CE6, basically transferring files or sharing files from the OnePlus Nord CE6 to an iPhone. If this video was useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Questions and comments down below. Take care and God bless.